On 20th of February, the first device to be announced by Samsung in its launch event was the Galaxy Fold, and it was the first foldable phone to be announced. Are you guys excited for it? Hey guys, this is Priyanshu Tiwari here and you are watching Programming Nation. And if you are excited for this device, then keep on watching this video till the end because we are going to talk about Galaxy Fold in this video, its features and what are new things which are introduced by Samsung in this device. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll be notified whenever a new video goes live. So let's get started.
First of all, I would like to give a shout out to the sponsor of our videos, that is Hostinger. Hostinger International Limited is an employee-owned web hosting provider and internet domain registrar. Established in 2004, Hostinger now has over 29 million users collectively with its subsidiaries in 178 countries. The company uses cloud web hosting technology and provides hosting with MySQL, PHP and FTP. And if you are new in web development field and want to start a website, then Hostinger is a perfect place for you. Here you will find almost free web hosting with guaranteed 99.9% uptime, superior speed, performance and 24/7 support chat. And if you have got some brilliant ideas, Hostinger is a perfect place for you to initiate these ideas with free web hosting environment with the following features provided. And if we see the cost, it is very low. It is one of the best cheap web hosting provider with single shared hosting price at 80 cents per month, premium shared hosting price at $2.15 per month, and business shared hosting at priced at $3.45 per month. And these are the features or the services provided by them. And if you are an individual willing to start a new blog, whether it be a cooking blog or a tech blog or a photography blog, it's on you. You can use the single shared hosting at the price of 80 cents per month. And if you are an organization or if you are on YouTube with your buddies, then you can go for the premium and business shared hosting. And you will also find cloud hosting and also the VPS hosting over here with some great services provided to you with cheap cost. And the Tech Radar has given 3.5 out of 5 rating and CNET has given 4.5 out of 5 rating to Hostinger. And for more information, go to the link given in the description and use the code NATION while you are paying, so that you will be getting 10% discount.
First, we'll be talking about the main feature of this device that has made the foldable phone a reality. Yes, we are going to talk about the display. In front you will get a 4.6 inches of display, which is compact and will easily fit into your hands, and you can do single-handed tasks very easily. And inside, when you unfold the device or when the device opens up, you will get a massive 7.3 inches of display, which Samsung calls the Infinity Flex display, that transforms your phone into a tablet. The outer, that is a cover display, is the HD plus Super AMOLED screen with an aspect ratio of 21:9, and the main display is the QXGA plus dynamic AMOLED screen with an aspect ratio of 4:2:3. The backbone of the device, that is the hinge which has made this foldable phone possible. Samsung has developed a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the device smoothly and naturally. The hinge is made up of multiple interlocking gear which is hidden perfectly and you can't see it. With two different screens, it is perfect for any situation. When the device is closed, it fits right into your palm, so you can send messages to your friends, or you can call and do other tasks with one hand while you are on the go. Now sometimes you want a large screen, and the Galaxy Fold's Infinity Flex display gives a powerful multimedia experience. You can enjoy the movies and YouTube videos with the large display and with a powerful AKG powered speaker. Now let's talk about the cameras on this device. There are total 6 cameras on this Galaxy Fold. The first one that is there on the cover display, it has this 10 megapixel selfie shooter with a pixel size of 1.22 microns and field of view of 80 degrees with an aperture of f2.2. The main display consists of a notch that is present on the top right corner, and that notch is having dual cameras. The first camera is the same as a 10 megapixel selfie shooter with a pixel size of 1.22 microns and a field of view of 80 degrees, and the aperture is same f2.2. whereas the another camera present over there is 8 megapixel RGB depth sensing camera with an aperture of f1.9 and the field of view of 90 degrees with a pixel size of 1.12 microns. The cameras at the back is my favorite because there are total 3 cameras. The first one is 12 megapixel telephoto lens with PDAF and OIS enabled and the pixel size of 1 micron and a field of view of 45 degrees with an aperture of f2.4. Now the second camera is the same, it's the 12 megapixel wide angle lens with super speed dual pixel autofocus and OIS enabled with a pixel size of 1.4 microns and a field of view of 77 degrees, and it has dual aperture that we have found in S9 also, that it has f1.5 mode and the f2.4 mode. The third camera, listen to it carefully. The third camera is 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with a pixel size of 1 micron and the field of view is 123 degree. Yes, 123 degree, that will be able to click some great wide angle shots and the aperture is of f2.2. Now, let's talk about the batteries on it. The phone has 2 batteries, one on each side of the device and has combined energy from both batteries into a single power source of 4380 mAh. Now, the device has 2 displays and actually it's a foldable phone, so this battery is required and I hope that it works well, but then we have to see later. And for the charging, it supports both, it is compatible with both fast charging on whether it is wired or wireless. Now, let's talk about the features of this device which will give you a better and unique experience with the Galaxy Fold. There are 2 new things, that is 3-app multitasking and also the app continuity in this device. The 3-app multitasking will help you to run the 3 apps simultaneously on the same screen. Like, you are doing YouTube and watching a video, you can text your friend on WhatsApp and also you can browse something about something on Google. So isn't that interesting? Now there is another feature, that is app continuity. App continuity allows you to fold and unfold the device without even missing a single beat. Now to make this app continuity and 3-app multitasking feature a better experience, Samsung has worked with Google and Android developer community to optimize some apps like WhatsApp and Microsoft Office for the full unique dual display. They also worked with YouTube to give you, the Galaxy users, access to YouTube Prime. Isn't that interesting? Now, if you talk about the internals of this device, there is a 7nm 64-bit octa-core processor and this comes with 12 gigs of RAM. Yes, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and also there is 512 GB of onboard storage. And for the first time on any mobile device, there is a support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0, which means you will be able to read and access the data twice as fast as any other smartphone, making it incredibly responsive. And then this device comes with Android Pie out of the box. If we talk about the color variations provided by Samsung to us with their Galaxy Fold, they have given us 4 galactic colors. They are as follows: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green and Astro Blue. Now depending on the color you choose, you can make it your own by personalizing the hinge color too. Now just take a look at the demo which was given in the launch event by Samsung so that you can get an idea how it works in hand.
I'm really excited to show everyone what the Fold can do. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go.
Wow.
It's really quick. We have all the usual suspects here. Here are my messages. Here's my email, and my playlist on Spotify. Pretty much everything that I already do on my phone.
Exactly. I find it especially useful folded when I'm on the go. Hey, Josh, can we show them how to navigate with Google Maps?
Sure, I can easily pull up Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah. That's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. And now he can see so much more, the street names, the restaurants, all in greater detail. Okay, so how about we check out another app on the big screen? How about Netflix?
Sure, I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the phone.
Wow, that is a gorgeous display. That is 3-app multitasking in action. On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the third window. And if he wants to browse in the bigger window, he can do that too. All he has to do is just drag the browser over to the larger display. It's so simple. It's simple and seamless. And the screen is big enough to fit all 3 apps.
The Fold comes with 5G and LTE version supports, and it starts with a price range of $1,980, and you can get your very own Samsung Galaxy Fold, which will be starting from April 26. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, don't forget to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified when new video goes live. So we'll be coming with more coverage on the smartphones release. And thanks for watching this potential video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.